Need to update all your Android apps in one tap? This quick guide shows you how to use the Google Play Store's update, all feature to install every available app update with just one tap. Begin by launching the Google Play Store on your Android device. After it opens, tap your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open your account menu where you'll find several options related to your apps and Play Store settings. From the menu, choose Manage Apps and Device. The Play Store will automatically check your installed apps and display whether updates are available. If updates are ready, you'll see an Updates Available section showing how many apps can be updated. Instead of updating each app manually, simply tap Update All. The Play Store will immediately start downloading and installing the latest versions of every app with an available update. Depending on how many apps need updating, this process may take a few moments. For faster downloads, connect your phone to a reliable Wi-Fi network. It's also a good idea to keep your battery charged or plug your device into a charger while large updates are being installed. During the update process, some apps may be temporarily unavailable until the installation is complete. Once everything finishes, your apps will be fully updated and ready to use. You'll benefit from improved performance, bug fixes, enhanced security, and any new features introduced by the developers. Regularly updating your apps helps your Android device run more smoothly and reduces the chance of crashes or compatibility issues. Using the Update All option is the easiest way to make sure every app stays current without spending extra time checking them one by one. That's all it takes. Keeping your apps updated helps your phone stay faster, safer, and ready for everyday use.